And let's look at another Stream API question. Find the product of the first two elements from an array. So an array is given, and we just need to return the product of the first two elements. So 12 and 5 are the first two elements, and 60 is the answer that we are supposed to return. So let's code it. We will change this into stream of integers first, and boxed function helps us with that. And then we are going to collect it as a list. So we have a list up until this point, okay? Now, a common operation which we do on a list is we use a stream, okay? Then we are gonna limit because we just have to pick the first two elements, okay? Then we'll be using a reduce function, and this will use an identity, and then a b lambda expression a into b. So since this is reduction, it will return us with a reduced answer, a single answer, integer answer. So there we see our answer, and this is working fine. This should come up as 30. Yep. So this is a simple one, and here we've used reduce operation. So do practice examples with reduction operations also. Those are also very important. So thank you for watching this. Let's catch up in the next one.